Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a different AI tool which has more number of different templates. So that AI tool which is we call as a design AI. So you can see a designs AI. So designs AI, it can make a logo maker, free presentation maker, video maker, and it also giving content. So click on that designs AI. So after that you will be getting a dashboard here. So here you can see this is create powerful content copywriter, enhance your brand logo maker, create video content video maker, make stunning designs design maker, next convert text to speech, next free photos and vectors, etc. So these are the different options available in this design maker. So I am going to click copywriter. So in this copywriter you can see here these are the different categories related with this copywriter. So you can see press release, blog writing, emails, market research, social media. So you can see here this is an important option, free form, quick and easy creation of any type of document. So I am going to click here and I am going to create a prompt using this tool. So here I have given a prompt that what are the recent innovations in electric vehicles in a global market, like that I have given. So it is generating that content using this prompt. So the prompt I have given is explain about the recent innovations in electric vehicles in global market, like that I have given. So electrical vehicles are become increasingly popular in global market, with new innovation being introduced to make them more efficient and sustainable. Some of the recent innovations in electric vehicles include like that it will generate a long content, long battery life, fast charging times, wireless charging, lighter materials, regenerative braking, autonomous driving. So overall these innovations are helpful in making making electric vehicles more practical and appealing to customers. So like that you can copy this text and you can paste in your Word file. So and also you can see the keywords generated for that particular text you have generated. So electric vehicles, innovations, battery life, charging, wireless charging, lighter materials, so regenerative braking, autonomous driving. So like that it will generate keywords also using this tool. So this is an important option available in this tool. So next one you can see generate post. So get ahead of curve with AI generated social content, experience unparalleled efficiency and creativity in your own content strategy. So like that you can generate a post using this tool also. So these are the important options available in this particular designs AI. So especially this is the important thing where we can use for research. So quick and easy creation of any type of document. So thereby you can create a brief academic and technical content using this free form in this designs AI. Okay, next option is that, so you can see some of the important options in this AI tool. So logo maker. So click on, I am going to click on the logo maker. So you can create an unique logo, for example LMS Solutions. So I am going to click my company name. So you can see the icon here. You can select industry, just a minute, education, icon, going to click next. Your slogan, MATLAB solution provider. So like that I am going to give and going to click next. So you can select any of the template here. So I am going to click this. So here you can see there are different unique colors available for that. I am going to select blue. So you can see here. So I am going to click this one. It will take several seconds. Oh yeah, here you can see how many logos you can generate using this tool. So you can see LMS solution 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 9 10 11 12 different templates of this logo you have created using this tool. This is a fantastic option available in this Designs AI. So I am going back. So like that you can select different colors. So next one is you can also create video content. So here you can select the design maker. So I am going to click the design maker. So here you can see there are different templates available in this tool. So you can click on this templates. So you can see here see category wise. So personal, you can use the blank layouts, print, documents, events design. So next social media design, category design. Next these are the different categories you can click and explore. For Instagram story, Facebook story, so Twitter, YouTube thumbnail. So you can click this here, and you can use this template also for YouTube thumbnails. So here you can select different colors options in this particular tool. So thereby you can make use of this option to create a new design. So next one is free photos, vectors and 3D illustrations. So just click on that. So get free images now. So if you are sign up for a free account, you will be getting free images. Otherwise you can browse here. So there are different categories available here: animals, babies, beauty, education, family. So I am going to give education. So you can see here there are different photos where you can use it for free. So here you can see. So the pictures are very fantastic. So thereby you can use these pictures. So these are the important options available in design. Next one is you can edit your photos, or you can find graphics, and you can make color choices. So next one is you can create video. So I am going to click on video maker. So you can give your video title, and you can browse your templates. You can give the input text here, and your text will be converted into video format. Just a minute. These are the different templates available here. So here you can click on text to video. So you can give your title here, or you can type or paste your script here. So and you can set the colors. So your video will be generated using this Designs AI. So these are the very important options available in this Designs AI. This is a fantastic AI tool where you can explore and make use of the option. So it has many different contents. So as far as research is concerned, so this is the important option, that is writing, free from writing. This is a fantastic writing tool where you can use and create different contents, technical and academic contents, using this AI tool. And also you can go for different types of designs and make your contents very better, and you can download free images also. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.